Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how to sign up as a vendor. So to do that, you click on the top right button, login or register, which takes you to the form where you can provide your login details and hit on login to take you to your vendor dashboard. But because we want to learn on how to sign up as a vendor, I will select the button register, which is taking us to this page. And of course, I'm going to choose the second option, which is allowing me to become a vendor. The first one will allow you to become a customer, which is a very easy step. You only provide your email address, a true and original email address, and all the login credentials will be sent later on to your email address, and you will use them to become a customer. But today we want to learn on how you can be a vendor on kinda.co.ke. So you choose I am a vendor and you provide your true email address. In my case, I'm going to use a dummy and a not true email. But in your case, ensure that you use true email address because all of your login details will be sent to this email address. And later on, if in case something happens like you've forgotten your password, you will use your true email address to reset your password. So that is the reason why it is very important to use your true email address. So don't use any email address that does not exist. So you will fill all this required, and the required you will be able to notice them by this red asterisk. So you will set up the name of your shop. In my case, I'm going to call it Beauty Collections. This shop name will be customized automatically by the system to bring you the shop URL. So your shop URL will be down somewhere here. So you can always copy it and save it somewhere, and you can share with your friend later on, those who want to visit your store and maybe do some purchase. So you can always share with them on your social media and let them follow you. You can provide phone and also phone number. Make sure that it is original phone number. Don't use dummy. In my case, I'm going to use dummy. I have read and I agree to the terms and condition. Ensure that you check that. Then when you come to sales representative ID, it is optional and please leave it blank unless you have a sales representative ID which will be generated to you by the admin or any other concerned party when you want to earn from the referrals. So this one I don't have it right now. I'll leave it blank and click register. Sorry, it is advising me that I have not included. This is okay. Let me just make it email.com. It should not be having a space there. So that is the reason why. Then you click on register. After clicking the register, the system will automatically take you to setup wizard, which will help you to quickly set up your store. And actually this thing you can always bypass it by clicking not right now, and you can always do setup later on. But I will choose let's go. It takes you to the payment department where you are going to set up your payment. It takes you to the store department where you are going to set up your store, and here you can provide all details that are very important for the store to operate. The first one is the products that are going to be displayed per page on your store. So in my case, I will choose 12, and the street I will choose that I'm in Nairobi, Tom Mboya Street. I will choose National I will choose beauty and collection, beauty and collection, shop B12, opposite National Archive. So you need to provide an elaborated street, that is for address details, which will guide even your customers to know properly where you are physically. You can always provide street number 2 if in case you have. You can provide the city, that is Nairobi. You can provide the postal code, which is 00100 for Nairobi. Then you choose the country, which is Kenya. Then you choose state, and in state here you like to as a region where I am. So I'm in Nairobi County, and then I will choose beauty products. That is the category of my store. If you are selling like different types of products, you are allowed to choose multiple categories. So in my case, I'm going to choose one category, which is beauty products. Then you can choose to show your email address on the store, or you can choose not to show. In my case, I will not show it. Then you click continue. It takes you to the department of payment where you're going to provide your payment setup. This detail is not that important because at kinder.co.ke we let the vendors to interact with their customers directly. So this one is only used in a scenario whereby you sell and with the money which are done purchased online are sent directly to our pay bill, all sort of our bank account, and then we can disburse later to the vendors. So this one I leave it blank. Then I will go to my dashboard. So that is how you sign up as a vendor, and this it will automatically take you to this dashboard, which is very beautiful with all functionalities that you want. So this one we are going to learn later. Thank you very much.